Have you ever wondered when a person's destiny truly begins to change? Is it a sudden, dramatic event, or a slow, gradual shift? Today I want to share a story with you, a true story, that might just give us the answer. It's a story about a young man named Alex, whose life felt like it was set in stone, a path he didn't choose but was forced to walk. Alex grew up in a small town where opportunities were as scarce as rain in a desert. His family wasn't wealthy, and from a young age, the message was clear. You work hard, you keep your head down, and you don't expect much. He saw his parents toil away in jobs they didn't love, just to make ends meet. He saw his friends resign themselves to the same fate, their dreams fading before they even had a chance to bloom. It seemed his destiny was pre-written, a life of mediocrity, bound by the limits of his circumstances. He got a job at the local factory, just like his father and his father before him. The work was grueling, the hours were long, and the pay was just enough to get by. Every day was a carbon copy of the last. The deafening noise of the machinery became the soundtrack of his life, drowning out the faint whispers of his own ambitions. He felt trapped, like a ship anchored in a harbor, watching other ships sail off to distant, exciting lands. He'd look in the mirror and see a stranger, someone whose eyes had lost their spark. He thought, is this it? Is this all my life will ever be? The turning point didn't come with a lottery win or a long-lost rich uncle. It came on a Tuesday, an utterly ordinary Tuesday. During his lunch break, Alex was scrolling aimlessly on his phone, a habit to numb the monotony. He stumbled upon a video. It was an interview with an entrepreneur who had started with nothing. The man spoke about his own struggles, his own feelings of being stuck, but then he said something that hit Alex like a bolt of lightning. He said, your circumstances don't define your destiny. Your decisions do. Just a simple sentence. But for Alex, it was a revelation. He replayed that part of the video again and again. Your decisions do. That night, for the first time in years, he couldn't sleep. It's not from worry, but from a strange, unfamiliar feeling. A flicker of hope. He realized he had been blaming his town, his family, his lack of money, everything but himself. He'd been a passenger in his own life, waiting for someone or something to change his course. The entrepreneur's words made him realize he was the captain. He was the one holding the wheel. So, when does a person's destiny begin to change? It begins the moment you decide to take responsibility. It's not about grand gestures. It's about a single, powerful shift in mindset. For Alex, it started with a decision to stop blaming and start acting. But how does it change? Hey, that's the second part of our story. A decision is just the starting line. The race is won through consistent, small actions. Alex's journey of change didn't start with him quitting his job and moving to the big city. That would have been reckless. It started with one small, manageable change. He decided to use his 1-hour lunch break differently. Instead of scrolling on his phone, he started reading. He didn't have money for expensive courses, but he had a library card. He started borrowing books on business, on marketing, on self-improvement. The other workers would sometimes make fun of him. Look at the professor, they'd jeer. It stung, but the words from that video echoed in his mind. Your decisions do. He was making a decision for a different future. After a few months of reading, he identified a passion he'd long forgotten, woodworking. As a kid, he loved making things with his hands. He found an online community of woodworkers and started learning. He used his weekends not to escape his reality, but to build a new one. He started with small projects in his garage, a simple birdhouse, a picture frame. His first few attempts were clumsy, far from perfect. He got splinters, made wrong cuts, and felt like giving up a dozen times. This is the how of changing your destiny. It's messy. It's filled with failures and setbacks. It's about embracing the process of being a beginner. Every time he wanted to quit, he remembered why he started. He wasn't just carving wood. He was carving a new path for himself. He started sharing photos of his work in that online community. At first, there were just a few likes. Then, people started commenting, offering advice. And then one day, someone asked, "Do you sell these?" That question was another turning point. The idea of someone paying for his work seemed absurd, but he took a chance. He quoted a small price for a custom-made jewelry box. The person agreed. That first sale wasn't about the money. It was proof. Proof that he could create value. proof that his new decisions were leading to tangible results. Fueled by this small victory, he kept going. He spent his evenings after his exhausting factory job not in front of the TV but in his garage, honing his craft. He reinvested the money from his first few sales back into better tools. Slowly, very slowly, orders started to trickle in. First one a month, then a few. He created a simple social media page to showcase his work. He learned about photography from free online tutorials to make his creations look more appealing. Each step was small, almost insignificant on its own. A book read during a lunch break, a post on social media, an hour of practice instead of an hour of television. But these small steps, compounded over months and then years, created a powerful momentum. There was a day he received so many orders in 1 week that he had to make a choice. He could no longer do both jobs. The factory, his symbol of a pre-written destiny, and his workshop, his symbol of a self-created one. It was the scariest decision of his life. He was giving up a guaranteed, albeit small, paycheck for the uncertainty of his passion. But now, he was no longer the man who was afraid of the unknown. He was the man who was building his own future. He handed in his resignation. Today, Alex runs a successful online woodworking business. He employs 3 other people from his town, offering them the kind of opportunity he once craved. He's happily married, with kids who see their father doing something he loves every single day. His life is unrecognizable from the one he thought was his destiny. So when and how does a person's destiny change? Alex's story gives us a clear answer. It begins the very moment you stop being a victim of your circumstances and decide to become the architect of your life. It happens not in one giant leap, but through thousands of small, consistent steps taken in the direction of your choosing. It starts with changing your mindset. It continues by changing your habits. One book, one new skill, one small attempt, one brave decision at a time. Your destiny isn't a destination you arrive at. It's a path you create, one step at a time, starting right now. It doesn't matter where you are today. It doesn't matter what your circumstances look like. You have the power to make a new decision. You have the power to take one small step in a new direction. Just like Alex, you are the captain of your ship. It's time to take the wheel. Thank you for watching. If this story resonated with you, let me know in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe for more content that inspires you to create the life you truly want. See you in the next one.